Why hello there, and a warm welcome from myself, Sydney Tambin, and a warm welcome along to the channel, Sydney's Smart Home. This is to provide advice and support and demonstrations for the blind and partially sighted community. However, that doesn't mean this might not be of any help to yourselves as well, because there's very many smart home technologies out there that can be helping the elderly, that can be helping vulnerable people and people with many other disabilities along the way as well. This is very much an introductory video. I'm very much new to YouTube. I'm recording this on my iPhone 10, so first and foremost, apologies if you're not seeing me right. I've just got a point and hope for the best. I am blind myself. I have congenital glaucoma, so if I'm not quite looking into the camera, I do apologise for that. But for many blind and partially sighted people, it'll be all about the audio. It'll be all about what I'm actually talking about and what I'm actually demonstrating. I don't actually have any demonstrations for you today, however, but I would very much like to be user driven, and that would be gauging what the community would like me to show them. I am experiencing many things from Apple, whether that be iPhone, iPad or Apple Watch. I'm very much excited by the new releases of the iPhone, of course the iPhone XR, the iPhone XS, and of course the iPhone X Max. They all came out and were announced yesterday by Apple, not to mention of course the Series 4 Apple Watch as well, which I'm super excited about. Not long before that is released, and hopefully I'll have one on my wrist. I don't know if you can see my wrist, empty at the minute. Used to have an Apple Watch original first series, no longer have that. It was very much accessible then. It'll be super accessible now with voiceover, and hopefully we'll get an unboxing and a demonstration from a visually impaired perspective in the very near future. Of course, a big smart home advocate and how accessible that can be to blind and partially sighted people. The answer to that is super accessible. My lights around my flat are all powered by a smart home interface. I have smart speakers using the Amazon Echo range of devices. I have an Amazon Tap, an Amazon Plus, a few Amazon Echoes and an Amazon Echo Dot, and they all do various different things, have various different sound quality, so hopefully I can do a demonstration and unboxing and setup of them. That's all easily done and achievable through the Amazon app, and also very accessible to blind and partially sighted people, and maybe people with other disabilities as well. We can do hopefully a future video on that. Many other smart home tech as well, but if you have a certain technology, a certain device you would like me to show, demonstrate how easy it is to operate, how easy it is to work, I'll show you the positives, I'll give you the negatives, I'll give you some constructive feedback along the way as well. We can do all of that. We'll work it out together, and there's one main way you can help me along. You can hit that subscribe button below, you can like my videos to show your appreciation. Of course, you can comment below as well. Let's start this conversation off about smart home technology, and I would love to join in that as well with yourselves, and we'll see how accessible things really are for the blind and partially sighted out there when it comes to smart home technology. Very much just light bulbs. I also have a smart home plug from TP-Link as well, which I also hope to demonstrate in the near future as well. This pretty much wraps up my YouTube video, my first ever YouTube video I may add as well. So if you have any positive feedback, any constructive feedback you think may be useful to me in the near future, I would certainly love to hear from you.